Ready, start. Pursuant to the aforesaid orders, all the parties have given their suggestions. Counsel for the parties was also heard in detail on those suggestions. Under the JJ Act of 2000, a person up to the age of 18 years is treated as a child. Same age is prescribed under the CPCR Act 2005 as well. However, when it comes to Prohibition of Child Labor Act of 1986, the definition of child means a person who has not CWP 9968 2009 and connected petitions completed his 14th year of age. Thus, virtually, there is no prohibition of child labor in case of children who are more than 14 years but less than 18 years of age. Furthermore, this act focuses on the prohibition of employment of children in certain specified workplaces, which are harmful for the children, and there is no absolute prohibition. At the same time, now RTE Act creates an obligation on the part of state to provide free and compulsory education to all children aged between 6 to 14 years. This is now the constitutional obligation as well. As right to education is made fundamental, it would therefore follow that as far as children up to the age of 14 years are concerned, since they are to be provided free education, there would be absolute ban, oblique bar, and prohibition from child labor. Thus, we are of the opinion that provisions contained in Section 3 of the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 authorizing the use of child labor in so-called non-hazardous industries would offend the aforesaid constitutional mandate and would no longer be good law after the passing of RTE Act and the amendment in the Constitution by inserting Article 21A. We would like to reproduce the following observations of the Apex Court in the case of Unnai Krishnan, JP and others versus State of AP and others. The citizens of this country have a fundamental right to education. The said right flows from article. This right is, however, not an absolute right. Its content and parameters have to be determined in the light of Articles 45 and 41. In other words, every child, public citizen of this country has a right to free education until he completes the age of 14 years. Thereafter, his right to education is subject to the limits of economic capacity and development of the state. CWP 9968 2009 and connected petitions. We thus hold that there shall be total ban on the employment of children up to the age of 14 years, be it hazardous or non-hazardous industries. This would, however, be subject to the exception that child should only be allowed to work with full staff. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.